Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and in today's video, we're going to be working on a DIY. You got it, Dollar Tree style, cause you know how your girl likes to ball out on a budget. If you're new here, I would love to welcome you to my channel and invite you to click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all my die-hard subscribers, I want to thank you for rolling with me in this journey. Stick with me, the content is only going to get better. So let's get right into that DIY.
I'm just working on a quick and easy DIY project that I thought I'd share with you. I had a bunch of old candles. The color has kind of worn out. Some of them are burned, partially burned. It's tall pillar candles. And I'm just going to take those and melt them down and remix them. Okay? Here's our melted candle wax. That's all it is to it. And I will allow that to dry and I'll show you the final result. And there we have our candles now drying. From those 4 pillar candles, I was able to get 4 canister candles and a little topper for a candle that I had already to customize it to my color. Allow these to dry for 24 hours, trim back your wicks, and enjoy. You can always, especially if you're using white candles, you can use a bit of coloring and essential oil to give them a scent. But very quick and easy project, inexpensive. I already had the candles and the vessels that I put them into. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create some new candles of your own. Remember, you can live luxe for less. Thank you for watching.